Sibrwd. Hi, I'm Isabella and I'm playing Juliet in Theatr Cymru's production of Romeo and Juliet. We are doing the show bilingually with Welsh and English, and this is the first time Welsh is ever going to be performed at Shakespeare's Globe.
I think we have to be unapologetically Welsh. In this show specifically, people like Sino, who has a very strong accent, and it's like, oh my God, I've never heard Shakespeare in this way. The J.T. Jones translation, so bringing that forward, Old Welsh and New Welsh, everyone adding their own little bits into the play, just gives a good representation, I think, of what Wales looks like right now.
In our production, the Capulets speak English, and the Montagues and Theatr Cymru. And that has been so incredible to explore through rehearsals, who is using what language and why.
Put up my sword, I managed to part these men with me. Do what? Draw and talk of peace.
Throughout the show, Juliet goes on this beautiful journey of speaking more and more Welsh. So Juliet starts the show in English, and by the end she is completely speaking, living, breathing in the Welsh language. This does feel monumental. We are making history.
Ti'n teimlo'n barod?
Ydw, ni'n gyffroes iawn.
Ydw?
Ie, i siarad ein iaith ni yn y brifddinas.
Practice done, here with the glow. We made it! Here we are in London at the Globe. I am so excited to perform tonight and bring Welsh to the Globe stage for the first time ever.
Yeah, I suppose it's about celebrating our language on this massive Shakespearean platform. So there's such an exciting diversity of speakers or engagement with Welsh, even within this production. People who are new speakers, like yourself. And then when you expand out to the audience, you've got a range of people with different relationships to Wales and Welshness. It's such an iconic building, it's such an incredible space, it's a great team of artists who are delivering this story in our language. It feels like an iconic cultural moment.
And you, my little darling, playing your mother. It's been a joy.
You look similar.
I think we do. She's got my eyes. To bring it here and see how the Welsh in London and the London in London have received this, I think has been a real coup for us as a company, because it's the first time Welsh language has ever been spoken on this stage.
We've got some of the Globe team saying bore da now instead of good morning. It's like contagious, isn't it?
And actually, last night I was walking out the door and one of the security guards said, "Osta." I just melted my eyes. And we're just really proud to be here. We're bringing the pride from Wales to London and just loving it.
Let's talk about how we
Meet the Capulets. What has it been like bringing the Welsh to the Globe here?
Oh, amazing.
In 2 minutes.
Bringing Welsh culture and language to the South Bank is just overwhelming. It's quite emotional, actually. Very often at the end, I'm in tears.
Fedrir gen figen faith cyp rhwng dau dynwyth o gyfartal bri, yn gweddill gweidlyd am y garnfed waith.
Mae gen I sicr heno. Soeliau fawr. This is a Montague, am a phone. Plague! post o houses.
The blood is spilt. Oh my goodness.
It was totally a good advert for Wales and Welsh, yes.
I go to Wales quite a bit, and I hear Welsh quite a lot over there, but hearing it in theatre is a lot different than when you go over there.
It reinforces the fact that Shakespeare's for everybody.
Musical. After all, what did Dylan Thomas say? My God, we are a musical nation.
Well, that is it. We are all done. This experience has been incredible, and I hope that our production has opened the door to more Welsh shows coming to London in the future. Diolch I pawb.